Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. And today it's all about boneless pork chops. And you guys, this episode starts right now. Guys, welcome back. Today we're working with boneless thick pork chops and I'm going to stuff them. And oh my god, are they going to be yum yum delicious. I have the ingredients behind me. I'm so excited, you guys. Let's go check them out. Okay guys, here are the ingredients. For our stuffing of our pork chops, we have some organic baby spinach. I have some delicious smoked Gouda cheese. Half of a chopped onion. Half of a red pepper. We're going to use some salt, 2 large cloves of garlic, garlic powder, onion powder, a teaspoon of black pepper, and our secret ingredient for our cream spinach is a pinch of nutmeg. We're also going to use some Philly cream cheese, some heavy cream, half a cup of that. As you can see back here, I have some toothpicks and water, so when we stuff our pork chops, some beautiful cherry tomatoes. And today we're going to use, this is leftover bacon fat from breakfast. Oh my god, can't go wrong with that. And look at our beautiful, thick, boneless pork chops. I have been soaking them in buttermilk for about an hour. I'll meet you at the stove. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, we're at the stove. As I said before, I have a tablespoon of unsalted sweet cream butter. I always use unsalted. For those of you that follow me know, I like to control the salt in my food. So I always buy unsalted sweet cream butter. So I usually use 2 tablespoons, but today I'm going to use 1 because I have my bacon fat from breakfast. Yum. Can't ever go wrong with bacon fat. Ever. So grab a tablespoon. I'm just going to grab a spoon. I already know. So that's about a tablespoon right there. Oh my god. You guys, this pure bacon is so delicious. Use the 2 tablespoons, excuse me, of the unsalted butter. Or you can use 1 tablespoon and maybe a tablespoon of olive oil, whichever you prefer. This is so delicious, you guys. Oh my god. This cream spinach, you can even make this as a dip if you want to. If you'd like, you can make it as a dip. Get ready for the sizzle. Woo! God. Our red peppers. Oh my god, it smells so good. I want to make sure that I put my powder ingredients first, which is the garlic to enhance our onions. We have a pinch of salt, about a teaspoon of salt at the most. Our black pepper. And remember you guys, only a pinch of nutmeg. This is very potent stuff. So a pinch of nutmeg, that's our secret for our yummy cream spinach. 2 huge cloves of crushed garlic. 2 tablespoons. Oh my god, it smells so good already, you guys. Dear goodness gracious. And I'm going to wait a few minutes and we are going to add our cherry tomatoes in there. So this is our stuffing. Guys, this is good stuff. So don't go away. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back and our onions, we sweat our onions. Now this container of cream cheese has 16 ounces and I only use 4. So I'm going to use 2 big tablespoons of our cream cheese. I lowered my heat, by the way. We'll let this melt. I lowered my heat to 2 above medium. Kind of like a high-low. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my heavy cream. You can substitute heavy cream. I like everything richer, so you can substitute the heavy cream, you guys, for milk. Whether it's full fat, whether it's fat-free, it'll be just as delicious. I just wanted to throw that out there. I wanted to mention that. All right, get the little cream here. Now we are getting our cream ready for our cream spinach. Oh, you could smell it in here already. Oh my god. Whew. You're not going to believe all this spinach, how fast it will wilt. And it won't even make a quarter of this whole thing. Alright, so I'm going to lower my heat to 2 before medium, okay? We're going to do that because it's pot. Look at all that spinach. Wow. Wait until this wilts down and you won't believe the small amount of spinach that we get. So when I come back, this will be wilted. I'll show you, we'll cool it down, and we're gonna sear our pork chops before I cut them to stuff it, and I'll explain why when I come back. You don't wanna miss it, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back, and oh my God, did I use that big pack of spinach. You see that? Look at that beautiful spinach. Oh my God. So now that we've done this, I'm gonna keep it on low heat in the back, on the rear. I'm gonna keep it on a high-low. A little bit of condensation there. I'm gonna keep it on a high-low, you guys. Uncovered, so we can dry a little bit of that liquid out. Remember, you can use frozen spinach if you'd like. I want all the juices to redistribute inside. We're just gonna sear it side to side. Then we're gonna let it cool, and then I'm gonna show you how I cut it open, stuff it, and finish it in the oven. Wow, you guys, it's beautiful. We're gonna do 2 at a time because I don't want the temperature to drop in my pan. You guys see that? You know, for the juices to get in there. I'll show you again. See, nothing major, they're raw in the middle. But when I come back, I'm gonna let them rest for a few minutes. When I come back, our spinach will be cooled. Our pork chops will be cooled. I'll show you how I butterfly them in the middle. We're gonna stuff them. We're gonna put them in the oven, you guys. And you guys, you don't wanna miss this. This is yum stuff. With rice, with potatoes, with whatever you want. So delicious. I'll be right back. I'm back, you guys, and it's time to stuff our pork chops. I have 3 of them already stuffed here. Keep in mind, this is cream spinach, so it will seem a little messy, but it doesn't matter. It's so delicious and so worth it. Let me show you. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, I have 1 pork chop here, and what we're gonna do is, we are gonna cut it right down the middle, not all the way across though. So this technique is, be careful, this technique is called butterflying it. So I'll show you. See? Like a little pocket, you see? And of course it's raw because we had a very light sear on it. So now we're gonna grab some of our cream spinach. This will be a little messy, you guys. Keep in mind, it will be a little messy soon. Because I like to put a lot. All right, I'm gonna put some of our cream spinach in there. You can see that. Put some of our cream spinach. I'm gonna grab some of our smoked Gouda and put it in there as well. Stuffing pork chops is always gonna be messy. It doesn't matter though, it's still worth it. All right, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna grab my toothpicks that I've been soaking, push it down. I keep pushing it in. Look at how messy my hands are. It's messy. Then I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna go ahead and pocket it inside here. Look at this. So we can finish cooking our pork chop. Look at that, you guys. Look at how beautiful that boneless pork loin. Oh my gosh. Look at this before it goes in the oven. It's messy. It's messy. I keep pushing it in, but you just leave it like that. Look at this. Look at that. Look at those beautiful, thick, boneless pork chops stuffed with that delectable cream spinach and that smoked Gouda cheese. Oh my God. And of course, I put the foil and I sprayed it because you guys already know that for me, everything sticks. So put it in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. We're gonna leave it alone, and when I come back, you're gonna see the beautiful end result. We're gonna put it over, I'm gonna put it over a bed of white rice that's already done, and we're gonna try it, and oh my God, it's so delicious. You don't wanna miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, we're back for a minute, and the smell in here is, oh my God, ridiculous how delicious it smells in here. We're at 20 minutes right now, so for the last 5 minutes, let's bump, the oven up to like 440, 445 for the last 5 minutes to finish browning the top. Oh my God. You guys, I'm back, and you guys, my mouth is so watery right now. I was just giggling so hard because I took these pork chops out of the oven. What I did, you guys, is I put some fresh tomatoes on top. That will let your family know what's in the stuffing, which part of it is, you know, the cream spinach has little baby tomatoes. It's just so delicious. It's just that extra little bit of freshness on top. I want to show you. Oh my God. Are you ready for this? Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that beautiful stuffed pork chop. with that cream spinach, that smoked Gouda cheese. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. It's hot. I mean, really hot. All right, I'm going to chance it. Here goes nothing. Hot. Oh my God. I can't believe how those small cherub tomatoes fresh on top, that piece of tomato with that pork chop, spinach, cheese and everything, with the rice, how that little tomato just makes it pop when you put it in your mouth, when you bite it. Oh my God. I'm gonna try this again, I just can't. Just to make sure. This is so good. Oh my God. This is so juicy, you guys. Like I said, you know, I put it in the buttermilk for an hour. Pork loin is very dry like chicken breast, so another nice big bite. I can't. Oh my God. Sorry. You guys. The smokiness of that Gouda cheese. This is ridiculous how delicious this is. And with white rice, God, it's so delicious. And it's so fluffy. And the pork chop is cooked, it's fully cooked through. It's not, let me show you. I need to show you this, I just have to. Look at this. Look at the inside of that pork chop. Did you see the juices coming out? You see how juicy that is? Oh my God, so juicy. Always remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you've already subscribed, as always, thank you so much. If not, feel free to subscribe, but don't forget to hit the notification bell. That'll notify you every time I have a new video. And as always, in all my episodes, you guys, au revoir, I love you, los quiero, and until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back, and I will see you then. Take good care, you guys. Bye.